Hey tech enthusiasts, welcome back to the channel. Today we're exploring something truly awesome in the world of technology. I'm super excited to share with you my in-depth review of the Epson EcoTank Pro ET-16600 Wireless Wide Format Color All-in-One Super Ink Printer with scanner, copier, fax, and Ethernet. This powerhouse of a printer is packed with features that will revolutionize the way you work and create. So let's dive right in and see what it has to offer. First off, let's talk about the printing capabilities of this beast. With a resolution of up to 4800 by 2400 dpi, you can expect crystal clear text and vibrant images that will make your print stand out. Whether you're printing documents, photos, or graphics, the Epson EcoTank Pro ET-16600 has got you covered. And with speeds of 25 ppm in black and white and 12 ppm in color, you'll be able to get your work done quickly and efficiently. Plus, with a monthly duty cycle of 66,000 pages, you can trust that this printer will keep up with your demanding workload. Another feature that really impressed me is the printer's connectivity options. With Wi-Fi, USB 2.0, LAN, and a USB host, you'll be able to connect to your device and print from anywhere. Whether you're working from home, in the office, or on the go, the Epson EcoTank Pro ET-16600 makes it easy to stay productive. And with the 4.3-inch touchscreen, you'll be able to easily manage your tasks and navigate the printer's settings with ease. Plus, the auto feeder with a 50-sheet capacity and automatic two-sided duplexing enable hands-free two-sided copying, making it a breeze to get your work done. Now, let's talk about the scanner and fax capabilities of this all-in-one printer. With a 1200 dpi optical resolution and 9600 dpi interpolated resolution, you'll be able to scan and fax documents with clarity and precision. And with a fax memory that accommodates up to 550 pages, you'll be able to send and receive faxes without any interruptions. Plus, the scanner's 24-bit color depth ensures that your scans will be of the highest quality, making it perfect for scanning photos, documents, and other important papers. But what really sets the Epson EcoTank Pro ET-16600 apart is its commitment to the environment. This printer meets or exceeds Energy Star UL 60950-1, FCC Part 15 Class B, CSA, C22.2 number 60950-1, and RoHS standards, making it a great choice for those who care about the planet. And with a 2-year manufacturer limited warranty, you can trust that your investment is protected. Plus, the printer's compact dimensions of 13.8-inch HX 20.3, WX 19.7D make it perfect for small offices or home workspaces. In conclusion, the Epson EcoTank Pro ET-16600 is an incredible piece of technology that will take your printing, scanning, and faxing to the next level. With its impressive printing capabilities, advanced connectivity options, and commitment to the environment, this printer is a must-have for anyone looking to upgrade their office or home workspace. So what are you waiting for? Find the link in the description below to get your hands on the Epson EcoTank Pro ET-16600 today and experience the power of printing, scanning, and faxing like never before. Trust me, you won't regret it. This printer is a game changer, and I'm excited to see the